today's video I have come up with a new recipe and it's called caramelized walnuts. This recipe is super simple, very delicious, sweet and great for salads, and it's a type of snacking. They are so delicious, you're probably gonna eat the whole thing. Only a few ingredients are required for this recipe. The ingredients required for this recipe are 1 cup of walnut, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. You can use either cinnamon powder or nutmeg powder, it's up to your choice. You can use whole walnuts, but I prefer chopped walnuts because I love to garnish my ice cream with chopped nuts. First, we have to take a pan, add the cinnamon and the sugar and mix them evenly. And next we have to add the walnuts and mix them evenly. Next we have to put this on the stove on medium flame and stir it continuously. I have kept it on the medium flame and I am stirring it continuously. Stir continuously, they can burn easily. Now add a pinch of salt. Look, now the sugar started to melt. Stir continuously. Look, the sugar is completely melted. It's ready to put it on the parchment paper. Take 2 forks and spread them evenly. This is the outcome after cooling for 5 minutes. It looks delicious, guys. I am ready to dig in. Look how crunchy it looks. Let me try one. It is really delicious. You guys have to try this. This is really crunchy, really tasty, really healthy, and it tastes like caramel popcorn. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video, me cooking caramelized walnuts. Please give a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you guys can be notified to all my newly posted videos. See you next time, guys. Bye.